your system. This danger nobody talks about. And many addicts, they are not addicted because of the body, they are addicted because the energy residing into them won't let them let go.
Say more about that.
For example, who are you? You are just thoughts, right?
Sure.
If you do not know a center which is not a thought, you are constantly being possessed by internet, by this car, by that car.
Right.
That is a normal accepted level of possession. So when you, for example, take a drug, some energy enters you. You may not take it again, but that energy that goes into you, it is living its karmic patterns through your body system. So it will force you to have it again. You will feel this longing, I want to have it, man. It's not you wanting it. That energy in you want to have it. You understand what I'm saying? So you were sitting quietly and suddenly you saw an ad which says you have to have this. Now you want to have it.
Right. It's possession.
It's possession.
Right.
So when you have that kind of mind and you're smoking many kind of darker energies, which we have many names, and Asur, Rakshas, Jakshini, Dakshini, many levels of energy. According to your makeup, that kind of energies you will attract. For example, you can end up feeling very sexual also. You may want to smoke again and again because that energy inside you, they need a prana to live by. So they found you. They will use your prana to replay their dream. That's what ghost is. Who is in a loop, in a desires loop, and is going on. He's looking for similar bodies to enter where he can play his desire out.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So that's why these things you have to be very careful when you take. It's very dangerous. I'm not talking only the moral, ethical issues only. On the level of spiritual level, you become crowded with many other entities inside you. And it takes years to clear them. Huh? They keep on controlling your life.
Very interesting.
It doesn't come cheap.
This is a perspective I've never heard. I mean, you generally hear about social, or for that matter, moral dangers associated
Or
with
even medical.
Or medical.
But even medical can't do if they don't treat this aspect as well, that chant mantras and cleanse your system. Only then you will be able to let go of the addiction.
Mantras help letting go of the addiction.
Because you're creating a new, fresh pranic energy
Sure.
where it starts to burn the Lanka of the Rakshas inside you. It's a past.
Right.
And only way to burn the past is bring the present light. Hanuman, Ram, or anything. Any present vibration will burn the old formations.
I think at a certain point, either when you're in Delhi or I'm here back again, I want to definitely talk to you about the many metaphors in the Hindu mythological ethos, because I think that's a